Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Top 10 Vital Gist. Were you locked out of your account, your Gmail account? Have you lost access to your Gmail account? Well, never to worry about it because I'll show you how you can recover it fully without wasting time. In this video, the tutorial here is how to recover your Gmail account without phone number verification or recovery email. So if you've been following me for a while, you know that I don't just teach things I have not tested before. This thing, everything I'm teaching you is what I've tested, what I've the tips, the method I've followed before, and it's working perfectly fine. And that is how that is why I want to share it with you guys. So in this video, I want to show you how to recover your Google or Gmail account successfully. So this is the first method. So in order not to miss other method, in case if this one is not working for you, in order not to miss other methods that I just discovered, I want you to subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell so that whenever I post the new methods, you get notified and try it out. So without wasting time on this, I want us to try this method. If it's working for you very well, kindly share testimony. So use the comments down below if it works for you. If it didn't work, just let me know. So guys, let's go. Let me teach you the steps on how to take to recover your account. So guys, here are simple steps on how you can recover your Gmail account or your old Gmail account. This is how you can recover it. This is the first step. So there is this email address I want to use as an example that I forgot the password. I forgot the details, so I can't remember again even if I want to log in. So I want to use it for this video. So the first step to do is to type the Gmail account. I think the Gmail account is official Daily Show Tips. So you can put, if you like, you can put at gmail.com. If you like, you can just leave it like this. So as long as you already type it like this, that's just the main thing. So hit enter. So here the password, next. As you can see, it's saying wrong password. So what's the next step to do? So the next step to do, since I can't remember the password, I can only remember I think the last password I used on it. So I'll click on forget password. So here it will ask me to enter the last password I used. So this is the simplest method. So you just have to enter the last password that I used and click next. So this is it. It has shown that I've successfully signed in. So because I've this was my the last password I remembered. I tried my current password, it wasn't working. So this is one of the methods that I have to teach you in this video, because there are so many ways you can recover your Gmail account without phone number and recovery email. So if you're following this channel, you get notified whenever I post the second one. Why I don't want to post it, why I don't want to say anything, everything on this video is just for the video not to be too long. So I just want to make it simple, and so that you know this one first. So when I post the second method, because there are about four new method I discovered on how you can recover your lost Gmail account, your whether you forgot the password or however you want, or maybe you lost your phone, you are unable to get a verification code for it. So I will teach you methods on how you can regain access to your Gmail account. So this is the first method. Let's sign in now. As you can see, So if you look at it's showing us that your Gmail account was recovered successfully. So if you notice, okay, welcome back to your this thing. If you suspect you were locked out of your account because of changes made by someone else, you should review and protect. So if you feel if someone accessed your account, or you yourself, or you've been locked out of the account before by someone else, or you want to recover the account, or you forgot your password, so use this method to recover your account. This is one of the simplest method. So other methods involve some steps. So if you're following this channel, just stay tuned because I'm going to post those methods soon. So if you haven't liked this video, subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell because I'll post the video soon, so that whenever I post the video, you'll be the first to get notified. So that is just that, guys. And like I said before, in case you missed out my previous video on how I taught you how to create a Gmail account without phone number verification, go and watch it if you are interested in it. So, but if you are interested in recovering your account, your lost account, or if you feel like your account has been compromised by someone else, so stay tuned because I'll post more method on how, because I discovered some method on how you can recover your account successfully. So kindly like this video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell so that you'll be the first to get notified whenever I upload, I post new videos. So this is the first method, this is the part one. So wait for more videos to come. Thank you so much and stay tuned, guys.